Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles, and also welcome to the Applique square pattern in this video. So without wasting much time friends, let us go into the video and learn how to crochet this applique square. Chain 6, slip stitch to form a circle or a ring, and into this ring we have to place 16 double crochets. So the first may be a chain 3, so we'll make a chain slip stitch here into the ring. No need, it's adding to the bulk. So simple, make the first as a chain 3, first DC, and place 15 double crochets into the ring and get back. I've completed placing the 16 required double crochets into the ring. The first of course is a chain 3 and the rest 15 are double crochets. Slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains, and make a single crochet in the chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. Let us make it better. One single crochet in the next, one single crochet in the next, and in the fourth one single crochet, chain 7, one single crochet. Continue this, one single crochet and three double crochets, and the fourth one single crochet, chain 7, one single crochet. Continue this pattern all around. You should have 4 sets of chain 7 in the second round. Complete it and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We have come to the end of the round here, and we are not going to work into this single crochet directly now. We're going to place one single crochet here, which is to be done. So make a single crochet in that particular stitch, and then we will come back to the one we worked. So where the single crochet is placed, there itself place a single crochet. Now we need a 7 chain space here, but I don't want the working yarn to be in the center, but it is to be to a little side. So I'm going to chain 2 and make a treble in the first single crochet that I started with. So this has come to the side here. Now here we are going to place incomplete corner here with 12 double crochets and 2 half double crochets on this side, because when we come back we need to work on the 6th double crochet of 17 double crochets. So let us make 12 double crochet. Let the first be a chain 3 and then place 11 more double crochets here. Complete the double crochets and 2 half double crochets. I shall also complete the stitches in this corner and get back. I have placed 12 doubles and 2 half doubles here, and next you skip the first single crochet of the 3 single crochet group, and in the middle single crochet make a single crochet, and in the next corner you have to place 2 half double crochets, 17 double crochets and 2 half double crochets. So place the stitches in the next corner and get back. I shall complete and get back. I have placed the 21 stitches in this 7 chain space, that is 4 half doubles, 2 and 2 on either side, and 17 double crochets. Now it's time for us to make a single crochet in the middle single crochet of the 3 single crochet group, and continue this pattern for the next 2 corners, and place a single crochet here in the last of the round. I shall complete and get back. I shall come up to this and get back. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my single crochet. Now I need to complete this corner to begin the next round. I need to place 2 half double crochets and 5 double crochets, because I had started with 12 double crochets here. Okay, and I'm going to slip stitch at this point, and then we'll go to the next round. Let me complete up to that and get back. I've placed the stitches, 2 double crochets and 2 half doubles and 5 double crochets, 3 to 5 double crochets. Now instead of slip stitching into this, directly make a single crochet here. In this particular third chain of the first 3 chain, make a single crochet directly. It won't affect the pattern. Okay, and let me place my marker here, stitch marker. Now chain 9, and skip 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5, and place a single crochet in the 6th. So this is for the corner. And to go over to the next corner, chain 7, and in the 6th DC, that is, forget the half double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 6th and the 12th double crochet of 17, you are going to place the single crochet. Again chain 9, place a single, skip 5, place a single crochet. Continue this pattern on the other sides also, the stitch pattern. I shall complete and get back. I've come to the end of the round here. I've made my 7 chains, and instead of slip stitching, you need to slip stitch to the first single crochet here. There is no more single crochets, hence we will slip stitch, and we need to place a double crochet on this single crochet. So let's chain 3, 1 2 3. This is the first double crochet. It's considered as the first double crochet on the single crochet here, and in the chain space we'll have to place 8 double crochets, 1 treble crochet, and 8 double crochets. So let us make 1 2 3 8 double crochets, now 1 treble, again 8 double crochets. Place the 8 double crochets. I shall meet you at the end of this chain space after I place my 8 doubles. Now we have come, I have placed the required number of doubles here, 8 doubles, 1 treble, and 8 doubles. Now place a double crochet on this single crochet, and in this chain 7, place 7 double crochets. 1 3 4, 5, 6 and 7 doubles in this chain 7 space. Okay, and then we continue 1 double on single, and then we continue the corner and the side, continue this stitch pattern on all the sides. I should also complete and get back. Come to the end of the round, which is the last round. It's a complete DC round with the treble crochet in the cornermost stitches, and here is the completed version of our applique square. It's time to slip stitch and fasten off. So insert the hook from behind the last, pick this up, pull it through, secure it and bind off. Okay, I shall secure it and bind off and hide the thing. So hope you enjoyed this stitch pattern, friends. Please do like and share our work. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye friends for now. Have a great day.